How to edit your Substack welcome page. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process that you can follow if you want to edit your Substack welcome page. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that, we can head over to substack.com and log into your account if you're not logged in, and head over to your publication dashboard. So go to your profile and click on it, and this is your dashboard right here. And we can click on this option called edit profile to edit our profile. And there we go. Now when we scroll through the section, we'll be finding a section where we can customize the look of our profile. We just need to head over here and basically edit our welcome page here. So we can add a cover photo. We can select image here and drag and drop the image here. You can select the up one of the image and click on this option for open and go ahead and add your image here. And the image should be prepared. You can click on done in the top right corner and select it, and it should start processing the image, and the image should be added. If you want to look out for bio and edit out your bio to make it more welcoming for others, you can edit it out and type it in there and click on this option and confirm it up. We also have different other options that we can set up, such as the social links, and provide them. And also, if you have option for posting schedule, you can turn those options on and go ahead and customize it and click on done option in the top right and confirm it. And also, when you're making your post, include a very friendly intro, what your newsletter is about, and why people should subscribe. So include those and make it best practice. In that way, you should be able to make your Substack account very good, and you can edit it out that way. So that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.